Ladies, when you put on that sleeveless dress, what's the first thing that sticks out? Shake weight is the flab-busting breakthrough that trims your arms and shapes your shoulders at the same time. You just shake it, back and forth. There's no motor, no batteries, and you get the results you want.
In a matter of seconds, you feel it really working your muscles. My arms feel worked. It's definitely a good workout. I'm feeling it in my...
What'd you say?
It kind of reminds me of a Kia Soul. Why did they make this?
I don't know where this falls in between GLA, GLE, GLC, GLS, and...
It's the second smallest.
I like how they're doing the screens now.
But they're so small. Look at the shifter.
The shifter looks like they just did a shortcut. Oh, there's even a light around the AC vents? That's pretty cool. I respect that. RGB lights are sick.
It depends on the price. If this is under $30,000, okay. Wow.
36,000.
No.
Oh, damn, it's bright as f. We're done with the Aston Martin lowering springs, so let me show you. We're doing things a little bit differently today. We're inside the showroom doing a walk around. I kind of like to set up more having the car inside the showroom when we do the walk around instead of outside. So you guys saw last time we put on the HRA wheels and there was a big gap, but now the gap is pretty much non-existent. That's because we have on here Velocity AP lowering springs. It lowers the car by about 7/8 of an inch, so it's pretty noticeable. Definitely much more aggressive than factory. The cool thing with this is that you get much better handling when you need it, but at the same time, when it comes to driving over speed bumps or anything that's bumpy, it is pretty smooth still, so you don't really lose that, which is nice. And as you guys can see, we did chrome delete on the window trims here, so they blend in a little bit better with the paint because now they're satin black. It's a subtle little upgrade, but I think it looks better because they had chrome here, but this was black plastic, so I don't know why they did that. So now that the whole thing is black, I think that looks way much more seamless. This is how it should have come from factory. Quick look at the Tesla Model S that we just got done. Tinting the entire car. Photo Sync 30 on the sides and the back. Even did Photo Sync 30 on the sunroof, and of course Photo Sync 70 on the front windshield. And here's what it looks like from the inside. So this is the front windshield, the sides, and of course the back. Now for the roof though, on the outside you guys may have noticed that it looked pretty much pitch black, but on the inside I know it's a huge reflection because the seats are white, but if you can kind of look past that, you can see that it's a lot lighter looking out from the inside than looking in from the outside. New Vossen 2020 lookbook. Ooh, so nice. So this is the lookbook. So you got the wheels, the cars, some detail shots. So it's pretty cool. So for the first time ever, Vossen has included their apparel in the book. Got some jackets over here, hats. They even have a watch now, guys. Look at that. Only 50 available. They only made 50 of these. That's kind of cool.
The next morning.
So we got something in from Vossen. I don't know what it is, but Ted wanted me to do an unboxing, so here we are. Oh, ooh, it's the watches. Nice. Wow. Fancy. Nice black box, Vossen logo on the front, and that's pretty much it. So it's a slide out case. Get the little pull tab, slide it on out. Get this little cover here, it says Vossen in nice red. Edition 1 Vossen watch, limited 50 pieces, like I said. Designed in Miami. Comes with a little card telling you how to use a watch, like set the time and date. Okay, we're gonna look at the watch together for the first time. Ooh. Oh, yo, this is nice. Oh, you know what I should do? I should wear gloves. Be right back. Now I feel like one of those fancy people in those watch stores that wear like black or white gloves when they show you the watch. I don't have that, but I do have orange latex, so this will do. So here's the watch, guys. It has a nice weight to it. It feels pretty solid. If you're not familiar with how the watch looks, it's very AP, Audemars Piguet, Hublot styling with like the little rivets, little hardware running along the bezel. See, I know that word because I've watched a couple of watch reviews. And then you have like these notches here on the sides that reminds me of the Royal Oak Offshore. Very manly. What's really cool is that you can see this back of this, so it's a skeleton back, which is really nice. It's kind of a cool little feature. And on the back is also engraved with the serial number. So for example, this is number 18. It says Vossen Engineered Art Miyota 8215 automatic, water resistant, up to 100 meters. You have a rubber strap, which is really nice and sporty. It's comfortable, no issues with that. It has a very casual look to it, so you can wear this on a daily basis. In the middle here, you guys can see there is a carbon fiber face with a red V up top. Bezel and everything around is sort of like this nice dark brushed gunmetal look to it. You can't go wrong with it. And in case you guys want to style this watch with orange gloves, this is what it looks like. You guys see how much it sits above my wrist? So it's a nice, solid, chunky watch. Watch also has a date function. function. This is called a complication. When a watch can do more than just tell time, it has other functions like date or timer or some other features. Those are called complications. That's right, your boy knows a couple of watch words here and there. On the side here, you guys have Vossen engraving. Even right here, you have Vossen engraving on the little buckle. The glass is actually crystal sapphire, so it's pretty good when it comes to being scratch resistant. So how much is this watch? This watch is actually only $599 or $600. I think for the price, it's not bad, especially if you want a watch that looks like a Hublot or an AP. So basically, it's a great way for you to get that look and be able to wear it on a daily basis. If you guys want one, hit us up. These will not last because there's only 50 made. I think most of them are already sold. So if you want one, hit us up. We may have some left by the time you watch this.
Okay, number 18. There's 11, I'll take it.
Oh god, why is that your basketball team number?
I'll take 11. I'll buy one if
You're
it's 11.
so lame.
I want 10 or 11.
Do you want 11 because 11?
No, that's
Because-
not. No, I want 10.
Are you impressed with the quality?
I am.
That's really good.
It's a little big, but it's still dope.
It is lighter.
No, it looks perfect on you. It has a nice chunky like presence to it.
This is like my bro watch. My Hubro.
Dude, that looks really cool.
The center cap.
Yeah, dude, it looks good.
Have you ever seen a harder flex?
Yo, who else could do that?
Yeah,
No
who-
other wheelwright could do that.
Who else can do this?
Booth.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I have this video here right at Dustin's head area probably. I'm not sure where I'll put it, but it'll be here somewhere that I made for you that I think you might like, so check it out. I'll see you guys next time. You have the worst tasting music, I swear. In the recent years, I discovered a new genre of music that I kind of like that's kind of weird. Native American flute music. Yeah, spoken like a true white man who came to take over the land.
White man.
The land. You did to the Native Americans what Joe Exotic did to tigers.
Spotted horse cannot be killed by any bullet.